Hello students, welcome back after many days. I have come up with a problem which most of the children face difficulty in is age problems. We are going to solve this particular age problem through our simple equations. Now let me first explain you what the problem is. Age of Jaggu's father is 3 times Jaggu's age. Now always concentrate on the tense. This is is. Is means the present age. So is means present age. The problem, the first line of the problem is talking about the present age of the Jaggu and his father. So what it is talking? The Jaggu's father is 3 times Jaggu's age. Okay, so let's write our statement. First statement is let x be or x years be Jaggu's age. This will be our first statement as soon as we see that something is said in is, which is the present age. So let Jaggu's age be x. So what is Jaggu's father's age? So it is 3 times Jaggu's age. So father's age is 3x years. So only with this term is we have written 2 statements stating the present ages of Jaggu and his father. And the relation is given in this first sentence itself. Now, after 15 years, so let us try to see the present ages are x and 3x. But after 15 years, what will be their ages? So, Jaggu's age will be, now it is x. So, after 15 years, it will be x plus 15. And father's age will be, now father's age is 3x. So it will be 3x plus 15 because these 2 statements are for after 15 years. Is it clear? So whenever you encounter an age problem, what we have to see is where the is, that statement is for the present ages, and whatever after 15 years, before 15 years, before 2 years, whatever, that is for that. So we have to either add or subtract depending on after or before. Only with these 2 we have to add x plus 15, 3x plus 15. Now see what the relation is given. After 15 years, he will be twice the age of Jaggu. Who? Father. Father will be twice the age of Jaggu after 15 years. Means father's age is 3x plus 15. So father will be means is equal to twice the age of Jaggu. That is 2 times x plus 15. Got it? This relation is only for after 15 years. Father's age, that is 3x plus 15, will be twice the age of Jaggu. Here we get our equation which we will be solving. The equation we need to solve now. 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 times x plus 15. See, when there are 2 terms in the bracket and a multiplier, that means we have to multiply each term by this multiplier. So we have first on the left hand side we have 3x plus 15, and on the right hand side we multiply each term in the bracket by 2. So first 2 into x is 2x. Then 2 into 15 is 30. 2 into 15 is 2 15s are 30. Okay, so let us take all the x terms on the left side and all the numbers on the right hand side. So we have 3x here. So 3x, this 2x will be minus 2x on left hand side. Here we have 30. This 15 we will take here as minus 15. So we finally have x is equal to 30 minus 15 is 15. So what is x? X is equal to 15 and that was Jaggu's age. But when x is equal to 15, is Jaggu's age present or after 15 years? We had taken it as a present age. X is equal to 15, Jaggu's present age. Present age. So what is asked now? They have asked present ages of both Jaggu and his father. So Jaggu's present age is 15 and Jaggu's father's age is, what it is given? 3x. So 3 into 15 is 45. So 45 is Jaggu's father's age, which present age. So this is how we have finished solving this age problem. Thank you. If you have understood, then do subscribe my channel and like and comment in the comment box. Thank you.